So I started Jiu Jitsu, 52 years old, and I started martial arts again. I might be crazy, but let's see what happens. So whether you're into martial arts, going to the gym, or just doing some workouts at home, when you don't have the proper technique, your body lets you know. That's why I thought I'd see Young, my physiotherapist at Yellow Gazebo. He'll be able to give me some exercises and some ways to take care of myself that will help prevent all this tension in the future. Young always starts with some tests and questions to see if there's a muscle strain or if it's just some tension. Well, it turns out this is just some muscle tension from overuse, so I'm pretty lucky. Even though I was just sore and not in real pain, Young did some mobilizations to help open up the spaces in between my vertebrae. These are things you can't do for your upper back alone, so it's really good that a physiotherapist was there to help me. Honestly, they feel really good, and I could see how they could really help someone in more severe agony. Then he gave me an exercise plan. Started with resistance bands, which we doubled up in weight to make it more challenging. He adjusted my pull-down form, which for years I thought I'd been doing right. Turns out I wasn't doing it in such a way that could really help my posture. You really have to activate those mid and lower trapezius muscles. For the bent over dumbbell rows, Young showed me how to hinge from my hips and really activate those mid and lower traps, keeping my spine neutral the whole time. And that palm forward grip, super powerful and really helps activate those lower traps even more. Physiotherapy is not just for injuries. If you work out, train, or just live in a body that gets sore sometimes, this kind of proactive care can help keep you feeling strong, mobile, and pain-free. It's not about being broken, it's about keeping you from getting to that point.